To change the transmission fluid on your Ranger 150, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Ensure the parking brake is set. Place a drain pan underneath the transmission drain plug. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the fluid from splashing. Clean the area around the fill plug on the right-hand side of the gear case and remove the fill plug. Next, clean the area around the drain plug. Remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Inspect both plugs and sealing surfaces. The sealing surfaces should be clean and free of burrs, nicks, or scratches. Reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Fill the transmission with the recommended amount of fluid. Do not overfill or fill to the bottom of the fill plug hole. Reinstall the fill plug and torque to specification. Clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks.
Beautiful.
Finally, dispose of the used fluid properly. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polaris.com.